In this video, I'll show you how you can repeat already existing elements in your templates. So some templates might already have some specific elements added to them, some specific groups of elements actually, when it comes to pop-ups, for example. So you can see 3 types of pop-ups here in this specific template, which you can use. And you can, of course, if you have 4 items in there, if you want to place 4 types of contents in there, you can do that as well by repeating that specific pop-up. Of course, you'll be able to add your own pop-up in an already existing template which hasn't got a pop-up by going to the Add section and then selecting the Pop-ups tab here, and you can see all the different kinds of pop-ups that you can add to your page. But for this template, we've already got some pop-ups present here, which we're going to expand by making it into 4 pop-ups or change its positioning. So pop-ups use the Layers tab in your template editor, in your block editor, to show the windows that they open. So if you want to add a new pop-up, so for example there's 3 now, and if I want to expand it to 4, you can see a plus icon here next to the specific pop-up to either add a new pop-up to the existing list here, or to change its positioning, or to remove it entirely. So for example, this 3rd pop-up here, I can either move it up and it will change its positioning according to the other pop-ups there as well. I can move it down again to put it back into its original position. And if I want to add a new pop-up, I simply click the Add button here. And you can see that there's a 4th button added here with an automatic readjustment to its positioning, and to make sure that that everything shows correctly. I can make a 5th one as well, and you can go on and on with creating pop-ups and expanding the already existing list of pop-ups here. Of course, I can do the same whenever I click either one of the pop-ups. So I can switch the item here by clicking to its positioning, changing it according to the other pop-ups on the screen, deleting it as well, or adding it again through the plus icon here. And that concludes the contents of this video. Be sure to check out any of the other videos to get more information about Maglr and its editors.